What's up, everybody? Matt Connolly here. Listen, wanted to give you all the final walkthrough of Butterwick, our latest renovation that we just completed. This is actually take 2 of our video. I had to start over because I think I bumped my head a little too hard. I was in there doing some last-minute preparation, and there's a low light, and I wasn't looking. Zoom in there, see if you can get that. Took myself out. I think I killed a few brain cells, but a little bleeding, but we're good. So that's what happens when you rehab. Although it doesn't happen in construction, it happens when you're staging. So anyway, update on the house. Obviously you can see we finished up outside. Everything came together. Let me tell you, this is probably one of the best that I'm most proud of because of the value. Not only what we paid for it and what we're going to be able to resell it for, but what we put into it for the amount that we spent really just turned out amazing. So went through, obviously you probably saw from the last video, sorry, a little school bus coming by, but brand new architectural roof. Even though it's a $129,000 house we're going to market it at, we didn't skimp. We went and put the architectural shingles on because you see so much of the roof. We took the original siding, just did some repairs on it so that we didn't have to re-side it with vinyl, which looks like crap. Kept the original, just updated it, kind of fixed it where we needed to, and then painted the whole thing, which I think turned out amazing. So come on, let's go check out inside. That's really where this house shines. Although it does look really cool from the outside, I think the amenities and what we put on the inside really showcase this house well. And a ton of space. I mean, really, again, at $129,900, what we're going to market this at, so much value in this house. It's unbelievable. So I'm very excited about it. Classic red door. Always the color red, they say, draws people in. So I like putting a red door. That's kind of our standard deal. So as you walk in, obviously you guys, if you watch some of the other videos, you know the layout of the house. So I'm not going to go through that. I'll just kind of tell you what we ended up doing in the end. Obviously came through all brand new paint throughout the whole house. We got a killer deal on this carpet. It's a really nice carpet, whereas we didn't skimp on it. It, I think, makes the house look a whole lot better. So came through, painted the mantle, left the actual mantle itself white to kind of accent that. I think turned out real nice. Again, this is the culprit that actually got me in the head here. So as I was walking, I took myself out, literally fell down. So I'm a little mad at that thing, but it looks nice. So kitchen, again, I think for the value of this house is amazing. We didn't skimp. We put stainless steel appliances in it, got brand new flooring, brand new countertops, everything matches, painted the cabinets, new stainless fixtures to match, new sink, new faucet, I mean everything. Nice, I think, fixture in there for the light. So again, I think for a kitchen, not a huge kitchen, but it opens up and I think looks really good. So a couple other cool features on this side of the house. Let me go show you this. The cool wet bar, you can tell the house was built in the early 80s. Random, but I mean it works. It's got a cool little wet bar. We didn't do a whole lot. We actually kept the countertops, just painted, put the floor. There was carpet here before, which is really weird. So we put the same linoleum to match, and I think turned out really nice. Got a cool little feature, I guess. Laundry there, nothing real exciting. Again, this is where we talk about the little sizzle features. For this price point, little things like this get buyers excited. You remember, if you've watched the old videos from Madison Park, the house on Keystone, we did the same thing at that house, and we actually did the same exact thing here and came in, and since we had the guys in here anyway, we pre-wired it for surround sound, and so now we can market this house, or this room, as a media room. That's a big deal for a buyer that's going to buy a $120,000 house. To have a media room, I think, is a big benefit. But again, not a lot of extra work, but one of those little sizzle features that'll make the difference, that if they're looking at another house down the street, and they're kind of close, little things like that are going to set this house apart. Actually, if you want to pan around too, if you remember, I'll show you from this side now. You remember on the outside, which is kind of weird the way it was before, had the French doors here. We pulled that out because it just didn't make sense, and we put 2 windows in. So we want to get light in here, but again, a French door there just doesn't make sense. You get confused. Am I going in this door or am I going in the front door? So we ultimately wanted to make sure they knew where the main entrance was of the house. So come on to the master, let me check out that part with you. Huge master. That's what's cool about this house. Although it was built in the early 80s, it wasn't real small. You got vaulted ceilings in there, big master, so it makes it feel real big. And well, not only feel real big, it is very big. You've got 2 closets, which is cool. You've got a big closet there, as well as another closet off of the bathroom. So if you remember before, we had this framed out. Really cool how this turned out. So before, I'd be standing still in the room and this wall wasn't here. So now what we've done is we've closed it off, opened this up. Not only does it close off the bathroom how it should be, but the bathroom's way bigger now. So it's functionally better and just looks a whole lot better. Everything in here is new, from pretty much the walls. We got it a brand new tub, custom tile work. So we came in, again, didn't skimp, put a nice ceramic tub, porcelain tub I should say, and then put the ceramic tile with the accent strip. Looks really, really cool. So again, this will be something that sets this house apart from everything else that's in the neighborhood. Really, I don't even want to show you the other bathroom. It's just about the same. We've got 2 other bedrooms. We repainted, carpeted, put new fans in, and just, I'm very, very happy. The guys turned this around in roughly 4 weeks. So we're going to put it on the market, and we hope to bring a buyer soon. So we'll catch up with you guys at the next one.